A pendant light, sometimes called a drop or suspender, is a lone light fixture that hangs from the ceiling, usually suspended by a cord, chain, or metal rod. Pendant lights are often used in multiples, hung in a straight line over kitchen countertops and dentist sets, or sometimes in bathrooms. Pendants come in a huge variety of sizes and vary in materials from metal to glass or concrete and plastic. Many modern pendants are energy-saving, low-voltage models, and some use halogen or fluorescent bulbs. Suspended from ceilings by cords or chains, pendants bring light down to the places we need it, and they do so with attention-grabbing grace we can't help admire, even after the electricity is turned off. Some wash light over a big area, giving you foyer or stair landing a welcoming glow. Others focus bright beams into one strategic spot, a sink or cutting board on a kitchen island, a family photo on the living room credenza. Simpler than a chandelier, with its multiple outstretched arms, a pendant is little more than a bulb hidden under a shade swinging on the end of a cord. Yet, there is a wide variety of shapes, sizes, and styles. Pendant lights lend rooms a lovely, cozy, and inviting atmosphere. As an eye-catcher in the center of the room, a hanging light can speak volumes about your taste in interior design, from vintage to Scandi, classic to rustic, and most importantly of all, they provide flexible lighting for tables. Hello reviewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought you pendant lamp design ideas for your inspiration. Watch the video until the end to never miss a thing and choose an inspiring design for your next project. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. If you are already a subscribed member, please like and share these videos so that it could reach a wide range of audience. Since pendant lights are typically smaller and placed in sets, it's important to follow general lighting rules to avoid creating poor lighting. An odd number of pendants is preferable to an even amount. Pendants should be placed high enough to allow an obstructed view while either sitting or standing. Pendant lamps apparently date back to ancient Greece, where they used to hang animal fats and perfumes in clay pots with wicks. Things have come a long way since then. More modern, from the middle of the century, pendant lamps have been inspired by industrial versions from the 1920s and 30s. We like to think of pendant lighting as jewelry of a ceiling. Some pendant lights provide general lighting, while others emit more directed light. They all top off a room with eye-catching style, whether you want a romantic glass chandelier or a sci-fi inspired shape-shifting globe. Low-hanging pendant lights can get in the way. They can block your view of the person sitting opposite or can obstruct you when you stand up and sit down. As a general rule of thumb, hang your pendant light 80 to 100 centimeters above the table. This is also a good starting point for a height adjustment light. You can always adjust it later if you want to be. If you just want to hang a pendant light in a room, simply make sure it doesn't hang so low that people walk into it. A good 2 meters above the ground should be about right. Some lights allow you to retract the cable inside the cover. This means the cable can be easily hidden from view. It is not safe to play electrician and try and shorten the cable yourself. However, safety should always take precedence. Plus, you will invalidate your guarantee if you make any alterations yourself for store-bought pendant lights. Many hanging lamps are height adjustable thanks to the practical rise and fall mechanism. It means that you can easily adjust the lighting. When the light is hung near the ceiling, it can illuminate the whole room. If you hang it lower, the light will instead be directed towards the table or kitchen island in question. Pendant lights made from natural or simple materials are currently very popular. Wood, fabric, glass and concrete are all in demand. Minimalist lights that create a statement with minimal fuzz are also on trend. There is no need to worry about finding the right bulb for your hanging lamp. Some lights come with built-in lighting technology. Modern LED technology has given designers plenty of freedom to create slim designs in recent years. If you have a light with separate bulbs, you would be well advised to go for an LED. LED bulbs offer a long service life, excellent energy savings, and more in a great variety of designs. Overhead lighting is a stylish way to add ambience to any room. Pendant lights focus the light precisely where you want it, which makes it ideal for use in kitchens, dining rooms, or anywhere you'd like to make a lighting statement. Kitchen lighting requires the careful consideration of two purposes. Ideally, it should illuminate the hot work surface where you conduct most of your preparation, and it should provide welcoming ambience during dinner or evening hours. Pendants fill a special role in the kitchen. In addition to the two requirements mentioned previously, kitchen pendants are the preferred choice for decorators who want to make a creative statement in an otherwise totalitarian space, filling in the emptiness between the countertops and ceiling with suspended works of art. Pendant lights in a living room can add an unexpected touch of style and design, and there are so many options that you are sure to find one that is perfect for your space. Consider ways to work with your existing lighting to be sure that you have perfect layout lighting, and choose pendants that are proportional to your space and complementary to the aesthetic. Use unexpected shapes, finishes, and multi-pendant groupings to really upgrade your living room's decor. Don't be afraid to really display your personality when choosing a pendant light. Be sure that the light is functional for your room, whether you need more down lighting or diffused ambient light, and then find the pendants that perfectly matches your aesthetic and personal taste. For a unique look, mix it up by choosing similar but not identical fixtures when grouping multiple pendant lights. Choose fixtures with similar shapes but different colors and mount them at varying heights to add an organic feel to your decor. Pendant lights with a solid body are a good choice for providing down lighting in a sitting area. If your pendants are on the smaller side, consider using multiple lights with various stem lengths to create a dramatic grouping. Offset the grouping with unobstructive recessed lights and attractive layer scheme. Add a focal point to your living room with a pendant that has the unique features. Choosing a pendant with a glass or semi-transparent drum will allow for down lighting as well as ambient lighting. Place this type of pendant in the center of your setting to instantly create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Go for something really unique by choosing a sculptural pendant for your living room. Look for fixtures with a spiral or layer design for light that is softly diffused without any unpleasant glares. This type of pendant is begging to be the focal point of your space, so pair it with understated recessed lights for the best result. Create a glamorous atmosphere in your living room with a crystal pendant. Don't hesitate to create some drama in your living room by choosing a chandelier light pendant. A fixture with many crystals or glass globes for reflecting light will create an eye-catching display and add interest and dimension for an opulent feel. The pendant will allow light to flow in all directions for perfect layered lighting. Used by itself or in an arrangement of two or more, a folded sculpture pendant is a unique way to provide softly diffused ambient lighting without any displeasing glare. If choosing to install more than one, keep the height and distance between the pendants proportional to your space. Create a cozy reading nook by hovering a simple globe pendant beside a comfortable armchair. Adjust the stem so the pendant is hanging at the height of table lamp for warm tasking lights without an annoying glare, and add a dimmer for the perfect ambience. Create an architectural fixture by hanging a rectangular frame with mounted LED lights over your sitting area. This will provide symmetrical multi-directional light for a modern space. Be sure that the frame is proportional to your living room for the best outcome. Create a modern focal point with a multi-light pendant for sophistication and perfect layered lighting. This type of fixture will work with many types of decor, including modern, contemporary, and modern farmhouse. Hang it over your coffee table to create an inviting sitting area, great for entertaining or relaxing. Create an airy atmosphere by hanging a fan-like pendant light. This type of light is great for large open living rooms and higher ceilings. Keep the rest of your decor natural and organic for a contemporary rustic feel, and be sure to include as much natural light as possible. Pendants are a great addition to your living room decor. For a modern look, choose large pendants with interesting glass globes. Groupings of 3 or more lighting at varying heights and using unique lighting bulbs adds to the design factor. Create a light and airy feel by grouping pendant lights that are reminiscent of balloons. The sheer paper globes will allow softly diffused light to flow throughout the living room, creating an intimate and relaxing space for you and your guests. Well, viewers, as you can see in the video, we have compiled a number of interesting pendant lamp design ideas. Which one is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can use daily as an inspiration. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We hope to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.